Hey everybody, this is Tom Watson, the President and CEO of AMI, and I'm here to give a quick demo of the new release of AssetTrack Model Cleanup. It's version 1.1, and it is available for free in the ServiceNow Store. Just search AssetTrack Model Cleanup in the store, go ahead and request the app, and you can use this cool tool for free. And what it's going to let you do is clean up the cruft in your hardware model table and also clean up your asset records and your CIs now. So that's what's exciting about version 1.1. With the original version of AssetTrack Model Cleanup, when you were cleaning models, you had to choose a new model to clean to that was in the same model category. But now you don't. With version 1.1, we're going to be able to choose new models that are in different model categories, and AssetTrack Model Cleanup will reclassify the assets, give them new model categories, and also migrate the CI records to the correct CI table. So I'll explain what that means here. I've got a little demo set up for you. So this represents a problem that we just experienced at one of our customers where they had a data import from an external asset management system, and when they did that import, their models were messed up, meaning like they brought in some model information, but the categories were, the models were categorized as hardware records as opposed to what they were supposed to be, which are computers. So that means when these assets got created with these bad models that were incorrectly categorized as hardware, that meant that the configuration items were sent to the CMDB CI hardware table when in fact they should have been sent to CMDB CI computer. So now with AssetTrack Model Cleanup, version 1.1, we can fix that problem. We can take the bad model that's incorrectly categorized and we can clean these guys over to the correct model, which is correctly categorized, and then the configuration items will be migrated to the correct table as well. So here's how it works. We're going to take our bad model. This is a Dell Vostro 260. I flagged it with H just as an example to show that that bad model was categorized as a hardware model category. So I'm going to take the bad model and we're going to choose the Model Cleanup tab and we're going to choose the correct one. So we're going to search for the good model, that's the hardware record, and we're going to save that master model with the bad model. So now just like before, it's the same behavior. You click Model Cleanup and that Model Cleanup process is initiated. And an email will be sent out to all users that have the Model Cleanup role when it's complete. And it should go pretty quick here. It'll go pretty quick though, but it runs in the background. So if I refresh this, boom, you can see it's starting to clean up. It's almost done. Bam, all right, it's finished. So all of those assets that were set to that incorrect model with the incorrect model category have been corrected. They've been migrated over to that new model category, to that new model. And you'll see here the configuration items have also been fixed. If I open up this guy, this used to be part of the CMDB CA hardware table. Now it's appropriately registered as a computer. So that's the exciting part of 1.1 is you can now clean models, choose new master models in any category, and AssetTrack Model Cleanup will clean up the CIs as well as the asset model category itself. You do have to provide an ACL to give the ability for you to update model category on the asset table. ServiceNow locks that down by default. You do need to give yourself an ACL, again, to write to model category of the hardware asset table. But then AssetTrack Model Cleanup will fix everything. And just like with Model Cleanup version 1.1, you can take a look at your cleaned models. You can see that model that was cleaned, and if you're unhappy with what you did, you can click Undo Model Cleanup, and it'll revert all of your changes, including putting those CIs back to the original CI table. So let's take a look at that. You can see that it's already been reverted. One more, yeah, all these records have been reverted back to their hardware. So anyway, feel free to use this thing for free. Get your models cleaned up. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at AMI, and we'll be happy to give you some free training and teach you about other products, of course, that we offer. So thank you very much.